Welcome to week 2 of the RDO online programme. This week we're continuing with all of the things that we learned last week and adding to our programme. This week we also have some Twilight series happening, which means that if you are working full-time and you don't get the opportunity to join us during daytime hours, we run sessions in the evening as well, especially for you. We try to be as flexible and inclusive as possible when we are timetabling our workshops. Do keep an eye out for Saturday sessions as well. If you're in the middle part of your PhD, you might like to join us this week for PhD in the middle years. Here we get to talk about what it's like when we have certainly passed the beginning stage of the PhD, but perhaps we're just a bit too far away from the end to see the finish line. Join us and your colleagues to discuss what it's like completing research when we're in the middle of the PhD.